Yes. Hi all, welcome to Shivagana Aptitude classes. Now in this video, I'm going to explain the part 2 of the solutions which are asked in the TCS Nqt 2021. Much helpful for the upcoming TCS Nqt 2022. What the type of questions which are asked and the solutions. Remember my dear viewers, the solution that I'm going to put are extremely simple solutions that I'm going to explain each and every question. Let us start the first question. Yeah, one of the premier model question in all the placements, my dear viewers. There is a lot of chance to get the similar type of questions in almost 5 to 6 MNC placements. If you see this fraction, this is simply we can compare with a cube plus b cube divided by a square plus b square minus ab, which is simply a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square whole divided by the numerator is in denominator is in the form of a square plus b square minus ab. These two gets cancelled. The remaining is how much? A plus b. A is how much? 0.73. B is how much? 0.27. That's the result is 1. That's the answer for this question, right? Definitely one of the important model on this platform, on this topic. Similar kind of question, this is also asked. Similar kind of question. If you see the numerator, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc form divided by 1.35 into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca form. So the numerator is simply a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca whole divided by 1.35 into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. These gets cancelled. A is 1.2, b is 0.8, c is 0.7 divided by denominator leftover is 1.35. So numerator is 2.7, denominator is 1.35. This is nothing but a 2. Very good question. Original questions I'm explaining. If m and n are right, m is the mean is nothing but sum divided by number of observations. 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14 plus 22 plus 26 plus 30. This is nothing but sum is 128. Number of observations are 8. This is nothing but 16. That is the mean. Now median is designated here as m. Median is nothing but first to calculate the median, we have to arrange the given set of numbers in ascending order. This is already in ascending order. Now the number of terms are 8. If the number of terms are even, then the median is nothing but mean of. If the number of terms are even, then the median is nothing but mean of n by 2th term comma n by 2 plus 1th term. Here n is equal to 8, which means mean of 8 by 2, nothing but 4th term, 4 plus 1 5th terms after ascending order. So the mean of 4th term is 14, 5th term is 18 divided by 2, which is nothing but 32 by 2, 16. So the mean and median both are equal. Next question. The sum invested on a simple interest. The sum invested on a simple interest grows to 22,500 to 25,500 in 7 and 9 years respectively. What is the rate percentage? Very simple question, right? 7 years, the amount is nothing but 22,500. Simple interest case this is. This type of questions are I explained a number of questions in my video course as well as in my books that I was written. For the video course, you can contact to this mail ID. For the video course, you can contact to this mail ID sivagana@gmail.com. For the video course, you can contact to this mail ID or you can contact to this number. For that particular video course covering of 110 videos, covering of all the topics for all the companies. So 7 years 22,500, 9 years it is 25,500. So difference is how much? 2 years. So 2 years, how much the extra amount that we are paying? 3,000. For 2 years it is 3,000. So therefore 1 year we are paying 1,500. 1,500 is the extra. I am taking the 7 years case. 7 years. So principal is nothing but amount minus SI, right? So principal is equal to amount after 7 years is 22,500 minus 7 years, 7 into, for each year rate of each year interest amount is 1,500. So amount minus principal, you will get the amount minus SI, you will get the principal. So 22,500 minus 10,500, which is nothing but a 12,000. So principal is 12,000. So I am using what we need, rate of interest. SI is equal to PRT divided by 100. This is what I am using. Okay, for 1 year I am going to use 1,500 is the interest. Principal is 12,000. Rate of interest is need to calculate for 1 year, because here I am written for 1 year, divided by 100. These two zeros gets cancelled. So 1,500 divided by 12. 12,000, right? 12,000. So rate of interest is equal to 150 divided by 12, which is comes up to be 12 ones or 12 twos are 0.5. 12.5 is the rate of interest. My dear viewers, one of the important question for the TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, Accenture. In a competitive examinations, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and 5 marks for correct answer, and for every wrong answer 2 marks. Satvik scores 32 marks in the examinations. Okay. If 4 marks had been awarded for correct answer and 1 mark had been deducted for the each incorrect answer, Satvik's score is 35. If Satvik attempted all, let us say number of questions correctly answered X, number of questions which are wrongly answered are Y. So in the first case, the marks got from the correct answers is 5x. Minus I'm using because negative marking for wrong answers. Let us say for negative marking 2 marks are deducted. So 5x marks for correct answers, 2y marks are deducted for wrong answers. So 5x minus 2y. This is what the marks scored by the Satvik, that is 32 in the first case. Now in the second case, what? 4x minus 1y is equal to how many marks? 34 marks. If we solve these two equations, we are going to get the values of x and y. How many questions were there in the list test? Simply you need to calculate the value of x plus y. X plus y. Just I am giving the solution. X we are going to get a 12, y we are going to get a 14. Total number of questions are 26. My dear viewers, I don't want to waste the time in solving these simple LKG level equations. As the viewers are in the level of BTech third year and final year or second year, they are unable to calculate these. Do it as your own, will be as a practice, right? So the total number of questions are 16, but an important model, my dear viewers, these questions. One thing I would like to say, my dear viewers, the questions that I am placed in my video course are 1500 plus 1500 plus different aptitude questions covering of almost 32 topics. 32 topics. These 1500 questions along with that company specific questions also I provided, right? Company specific questions also provided, and also I provided 1,000 questions, 1,000 plus questions for the practice. This is enough to crack any salary job, in view of written test in aptitude, right? This is the video course. I'm giving very economical way. I'm giving very economical price. giving it a very very economical price. For that you can contact to this. Those who got this video course, I'm telling you, my dear viewers, 99.99% they definitely crack the written test, no doubt. That is the quality of the questions I kept. You cannot find anywhere in any Google sites those questions, which are very good quality questions. Each topic 100 and plus questions I explained. That's enough. What is the diameter of the solid right circular cylinder? Mensuration, right? Solid right circular cylinder diameter we need. It's a right circular cylinder. Okay, height, radius, whose height 6. Area of the curved surface is 5 times the combined area of the two flat surfaces. Simply as given that curved surface area is equal to 5 times of the two flat surfaces. Flat surfaces are nothing but which are in the shape of circle, which is nothing but pi r square plus pi r square. Two flat surfaces. Curved surface area of the right circular cylinder is 2 pi r h. 5 into 2 into pi r square. So square and this r gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. H is equal to 5 r. This is, we need r is nothing but h by 5. Height is given as 6 by 5, which is nothing but 1.2, right? We need diameter is double of this. We need a diameter, right? Diameter is double of this. Sorry my dear viewers, diameter is double of this. 2.4 is the answer. What is the mean deviation of 8, 9, 10? For calculation of mean deviation, first we need to calculate the mean. Mean is nothing but sum divided by number of observations. After adding all, we are going to get the sum as 200 and the number of observations are 10. So mean is nothing but 20. So mean deviation is equal to divided by 20. Number of observations are 10, right? Number of observations are 10, right? 20 minus 8, actually minus 12, modulus C is 12. 20 minus 9, minus 11, modulus 11. What I am doing is modulus of 20 minus 8, next modulus of 20 minus 9, next modulus of 20 minus 12, which are nothing but the deviations, absolute value of the deviations. By doing that, we are going to get 20 minus 8, 20 minus 10, 20 minus 12, 20 minus 15, 20 minus 16, 20 minus 20, 20 minus 24, 20 minus 30, 20 minus 32, 20 minus 34. So the sum is nothing but 80. Number of observations are 10. That is nothing but 8. This is the mean deviation. Mathematical statistics topic, my dear viewers, recently introduced in placements also. This topic also I explained in 3 videos. All the required data, that is mean deviation, median, variance, standard deviation, all those I explained. How much percentage of this, right? Do the calculation properly, otherwise you may get the mistake. So 25 divided by 3 zeros, nothing but 1000. We need the percentage, that is the reason why 1 by 100. 240%, 240 divided by 100 into of 1.5, which is nothing but 15 by 10. 15 by 10, right? 15 by 10. 25 fours, just see this, 0 0, just remove this. So 4 sixes, okay, okay. 5 threes, 5 twos, that is also okay. 2 threes, 3 threes are 9. 9 divided by 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, which is, so after that of 0.9, right? Of 0.9 we need. So percentage we need. Let us say x percent, x percent of 0.9, that is what we are getting, 9 divided by 1 2 3 4. So x percent, x by 100 into 0.9 is nothing but 9 by percentage we need, divided by 100 is equal to 9 divided by 1 2 9 by 10, not 100, 9 by 10, right? 3 zeros. So x is equal to how much? 0.1. Be careful while doing the calculation, my dear viewers. Be careful. Looks very simple the way you are understanding. How much percentage is, let us say x percentage of 0.9 is this one we got. That's what I'm equating. What is the mean proportion between mean proportions of, right? Mean proportion, right? Mean proportion of the two terms a comma b is nothing but square root of ab. Mean proportion, third proportion and fourth proportions, these are the important proportions in the topic of ratio and proportions. I explained at length. Here asking about mean proportion, the same question I covered in my video course also, right? Now first I'm going to calculate the mean proportion of 2 by 7 into 32 divided by 343, which is nothing but 64 divided by, this is 7, this is 7 cube. Numerator is 8 square, 8 divided by 9, 8 divided by 7 square, sorry, which is nothing but 8 by 49. That is the mean proportion of the first two terms. That is absolutely fine. Mean proportion of the first two terms. Next, mean proportion of the next two terms. That is 2 into 1 divided by 5 0 0, which is nothing but 1 divided by 2500, which is nothing but 25 50 square, right? That is 1 by 50. This is, now we need the mean proportion of these two, which is again nothing but 8 by 49 into 1 divided by 50, which is nothing but 2 4s 2 25s. So nothing but 2 square divided by 49 into 25. 49 into 25, that is nothing but 1225, 1225, which is nothing but 2 divided by 35. 1225 is nothing but 35 square. That is the answer. That is the answer. If and is it very important model question from the topic of divisibility rules. 1n352 is given that this is the number which is exactly divisible by 24. If a number is divisible by 24, it must be divisible by 8 and 352. If a number is divisible by 24, it must be divisible by 8 and 3. What is the divisibility rule of 8 last 3 digits? Last 3 digits are 352, which are already given, but we need the value of n. So I am applying what? Divisibility rule of 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits, SOD. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, number also divisible by 3. Now 1n352, sum of the digits, 3 plus 2 5, 5 5 10 plus 1 11. So 11 plus 2n, this is the sum of the digits, right? If this is divisible by 3, number also divisible by 3, right? Sum of the digits, if n is equal to 1, what is the sum of the digits? What is the sum of the digits if n is equal to 1? Sum of the digits is 11 plus 2 13, not possible. This is not divisible by 3. For n is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 is divisible by 3. Yeah, this is possible. For n is equal to 3, 2 3s are 6, 11 plus 6 is 17, not possible. N is equal to 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 11 19, 19 is not divisible by 3, not possible. For For n is equal to 5, 10, 21. 2 5s are 10 plus 11, 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Yeah, this is absolutely okay. N is equal to 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 11. 12 plus 11 is nothing but 23. 23 is not divisible by 3. Not possible. Next, for n is equal to 7. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 11 is 25. 25 is not divisible. For n is equal to 8. 2 8s are 16. 27. Sum of the digits is 27. Divisible by 3. So for n is equal to 9. 18. 18. 19, 29. 29 is not possible. So the possible values of n is 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Sum of the values of the n is 15. Good quality question from the topic of divisibility rules. A salesman representative commission of 6% on sales. So 6% on sales, important model from the topic of percentages. I covered a number of questions of this model. 6% of 15,000. Commission is how much? 15 6 are 900. 900 is the commission. Let us say total sales are X. Total sales are X. 5% on all the sales exceeding this. So 5% is the commission exceeding the 15,000. So X is nothing but the total sales minus for 15,000 rupees. For 15,000 rupees we got the commission. For the rest of the sales we don't know. Total sales are X, we are assuming. Rest of the sales are X minus 15,000. For this the commission rate is 5%, which is nothing but 0.05x minus 750. 15 5s are 750. This is the commission for what? Exceeding 15,000. Now the total commission that the salesman got is 0.05x minus 750 plus 900. That comes out to be 0.05x plus 150. This is the total commission that the candidate salesman is getting. That's okay. He remits is simply payback. Remits means payback. He pay back 47,350 to his company after deducting his sales, right? Okay, so total sales are X. He has been returned 47,350. So this is nothing but the commission he got. Total sales minus remit. Total sales is X, but he is not payback X. He pay back how much? 47,350. So X minus 47,350 will give the commission. This is the total commission. This is also total commission. We can equate 0.05x plus 150. We'll get the total commission. So nothing but 0.95x is equal to 47,500. So by using the on-screen calculator, X we are going to get 50,000. That is the sales. 50,000 is the total sales. But he remits 47,350. 50,000 is the total sales. But he is not pay back 50,000. He just pay back 47,350. He pay back. So this difference is nothing but the total commission that the candidate is getting. Good. HCF LCM is one of the premier model question in all placements, my dear viewers. HCF LCM is a very important model, right? One of the good quality questions, little bit high standard question has been given. HCF, right? Very rare to give these high standard question. HCF of 180 432. First I'm using what? Prime factorization method. So 180 is nothing but 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 432 is nothing but prime factorization 2 power 4 into 3 cube. After writing the prime factorization, right, HCF is simply product of the common product of the common prime bases. 2 is the common prime base and 3 is the common prime base. 2 is common prime bases with minimum power. The here power is 2, here power is 4, minimum power. Here power is 2, here power is 2, minimum power, right? 2 square into 3 square, 4 9s are 36. 36 is the HCF. After writing the prime factorization, product of the common prime bases. In this prime factorization, the bases are called prime bases. Prime bases with minimum powers, their product. The calculation of prime factorization using HCF using prime factorization, I explained at a length in my video course. My dear viewers, very important topic, LCM HCF. Here HCF of 180 and 432 we got is 36. Okay, and this 36 is expressed like this. That's what he is telling, 36. So 180m plus 432n is the HCF, but we got the HCF as 36. I'm equating. Next, where m and n are integers, then what is the difference between m and n? The difference between m and n. Right. I have one beautiful technique that is proposed by Elsudian, Elcudian, Elsudian in his algorithm. Using that technique, I'm solving Elsudian division algorithm. Right. Now this 180, the coefficient 180, I'm writing as 2 into 72 plus 36. Next, this 432, I'm writing as 2 into 180 plus 72. 2 into 180 plus 72. Right? I'm writing like this. So from this we can write 36 is equal to how much? 36 is nothing but 180 minus of 2 into 72, right? Now in place of 72, how much I can replace? 72 is equal to 432 minus of 2 into 180. This I can replace. I am making use of this beautiful technique proposed by Elsudian. So 36 is equal to 180 minus of 2 into, in place of 72, I am writing 432 minus 2 into 180. 2 into 180. Right? 2 into 180. So therefore 36 is equal to 5 into 180. 2 to 4, 5 into 180 minus 2 into 432. Minus 2 into 432. So I'm just using another color for better presentation of my video. Just I'm keeping this one in box. I'm keeping this one in box. If we compare the equation in box 1 and the equation in box 2, definitely we are going to get, so m is how much? 5. N is how much? N is how much? Minus 2. The difference of m and n is nothing but 7. Fantastic question, my dear viewers. Everyone has to learn this question. A work is assigned without time and work. There is no placement paper. In a simple way I'm telling, without time and work there is no placement paper. A work is assigned to 6 men and 12 women and they complete in 3 days. Okay, 6 3s are 18 men plus 12 3s are 36 women can complete the work in 1 day. More men work complete in less time. Okay, this is first thing. It is also observed that together they can do 7 times as much work a man and a woman can do. What he is telling? 6 men plus 12 women, whatever the work, this work will be finished by 7 times of men and women together. 7 times. Right? This is what he is telling. Right? It is also observed that together they can do 7 times as much work a man and a woman can do. That is what. Okay, that's okay. From this, we get the relation between man and woman, 7 man, 6 man. So 1 man is equal to 12 minus 7, 5 women. One of the good relation that I got between man and woman is this one, right? Now I am making use of this equation, right? I'm converting the entire thing into women, because what? Because how many days 14 women can do the work? We need 14 women takes how much time? That is the reason why I'm converting this one into what? Into what? Women. 18 men place. Instead of 18 men, I can replace 18 into 5 women. 18 into 5, 90 plus 36, 126. So 126 women. This is. Instead of 18 men, I can replace 18 into 5 women. 90 plus 36, which is nothing but 126. 126 women can do the work in one day. Now 14 women takes, he is asking about 14 women. 14 women takes how much? As the men are less, time taken will be increased in the same proportion. Nothing but 126 by 14, nothing but a 9. In the 9 days they can finish the work. 9 days they can finish the work. That's the end of my part 2 of the recent question paper, my dear viewers. This video will definitely helpful for the upcoming TCS drive. Be prepared, make use of these videos, listen repeatedly, right? Now for the entire video course, you can contact this one. The entire video course consisting of 105 210 videos covering of 30 topics in aptitude, plus 25 company specific videos. 30 topics explained, each topic minimum of 100 and plus questions. I explained, and also 25 company specific, right? And also I'm providing 1000 plus practice questions. The entire video course I'm giving at a very economical way, right? For that you can contact this, make use of this. One thing I'm telling you to each and every viewer, this video course is enough to crack 4 lakhs to 23 lakhs per annum salary jobs. You can crack the written test with this video course. That quality content I am giving. And also this video course is useful for SSC and government jobs. Almost all government jobs, this is video course is designed. This video course is a multiple video course. It is useful for learning all the aptitude which is used for government jobs, as well as competitive examinations like XAT, MAT, ISET, all the competitive examinations conducted by the state boards. Because topic is one which is coming in all the competitive examinations. That is the reason why I'm telling, make use of this video course as best as possible, my dear viewers. Thank you one and all. I'm signing off.